You know, there are a lot of auto dealerships around trying to either copy Sunset or trying to discredit them. Good luck with that. Here's an example. Warranty protection for life. Sunset's lifetime powertrain warranty. First, the other guy said it was a scam. Ooh, nice try, fellas. Then they tried to do some silly abbreviated version that covered a fraction of what Sunset covers. Back to the kiddie pool, guys. Wait till they get a load of this. Sunset's new Repairs for Life program. Here's how it works. If you pay Sunset for any qualifying repair, and if it ever needs to be repaired again, for whatever reason, Sunset will perform that repair again free of charge. With most people driving their vehicles longer these days, and with the increasing cost of repairs, this is the kind of peace of mind people need. Go to sunsetautofamily.com for all the details. You just get more at Sunset, like repairs for life, and people do like that.